I've got 10 ways to lower your carbon footprint using tech. Let's get into it. First things first, what is a carbon footprint and why reduce it? Things like driving to work, doing laundry, having the lights on, and cooking food require the use of resources like gas and electricity that contribute to the release of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane. These gases can add up, adding to climate change and global warming, which can have serious environmental consequences. The more greenhouse gases that are produced by your use of those resources, the higher your carbon footprint is. When you dig in, there are so many ways to reduce your carbon footprint using tech. Let's talk about 10. Number 1, solar power. A big chunk of greenhouse gases come from generating electricity through the burning of fossil fuels. So using less electricity is better, and harnessing the power of the sun is a great way to do that. I'm talking solar panels, like this solar power bank and LED light combo. Great for charging small devices at home or on the go. If you need more power, use a solar panel to charge a battery-powered generator. This generator can provide up to 40 hours of power and can charge most USB and AC-powered devices. Great as a backup for power outages, to take when you're camping or road tripping, or to use at home and reduce electricity usage. Number 2, a smart thermostat. This can help reduce energy consumption when it comes to heating and cooling. Program it to know when you're away or asleep to lower the amount of energy you use. No sense in heating or cooling your home to that perfect temperature when you're not there. You can also access it remotely from an app. Some smart thermostats even provide an energy report to help you see how much energy you're using and when, along with tips to help you conserve. Number 3, smart plugs. These handy little things smarten up your devices so you can turn them on and off with an app. You can also schedule programs, set groups, and some even work with voice assistants. Hey, Alexa, turn off the lamp. Some devices use a small amount of power even when they're off. A smart plug or power strip can turn them all the way off. And lastly, many smart plugs help you track energy in the app. You can find out how much a certain device uses and make changes from there. Continuing down the line of smart ways you can reduce your carbon footprint, we have number 4, smart lighting. Swap your light bulbs out for LED smart bulbs. They consume less energy and add the smart part so you can set programs, turn them off from a phone, and possibly connect it to voice assistant. Ever get into bed and realize you forgot to turn off the lights? No problem. Let me just grab my phone and boop, boop, boop. They're off. And let me just say, once you start using smart products in your home, you can really get an efficient routine going. Imagine, you say goodnight to your voice assistant, and your thermostat adjusts to your sleeping temperature, your lights, speakers, and TV turn off, your devices with smart plugs are fully powered down, and cherry on top, your coffee maker will turn on in the morning. Pretty nice, huh? Okay, moving on to number 5, Energy Star certified products. This could be air conditioners, washers, dryers, refrigerators, computers, the list goes on. Items that have earned this label have been certified to deliver efficiency and savings. This can lower your water and energy usage and possibly save some money along the way. Shop for Energy Star certified products by looking for this logo. If you're shopping in a store, many home appliances have this yellow energy guide label to show you approximate energy use, and they usually note whether it is Energy Star certified. Another great tool in shopping for energy-efficient devices. But wait, don't just go out and replace all your old appliances with new Energy Star certified products. There is an environmental impact to making new products and disposing of old ones. So it's usually best to wait until your appliance needs to be replaced. And that brings us to number 6, repair your tech. Rather than getting rid of it right away, see if it can be fixed. Remember, there's a carbon footprint to making new products, so the longer you can keep your current one, the better. And one of the best places to start is with us, Best Buy. You can schedule a repair appointment for many types of devices, including major appliances, computers, phones, and more. Check it out for yourself. There's a link in the notes below. All right, number 7, recycling your e-waste. If you can't repair your device, recycle it. Technology is one of the fastest growing waste streams on the planet. Recycling electronics and appliances properly is a great way to reduce e-waste and, as a result, lower your impact on the environment. Best Buy offers a recycling program that accepts most electronics and large appliances, with a few exceptions. When an item is recycled with Best Buy, the products are removed from our stores, consolidated, and then delivered directly to one of our qualified recycling partners. From there, the recyclers determine if the product can be repaired, repurposed, or recycled. They pull out the good stuff to use in new products and properly dispose of the rest. Check out the recycling page on bestbuy.com for more info. There's a link in the notes below. And bonus, consider checking out the trade-in program at Best Buy too. Your device might be eligible to trade in for a Best Buy gift card, a new life for your old device as you upgrade to a new one. All right, another big producer of greenhouse gases is transportation, specifically carbon dioxide emissions from engines. So that brings me to number 8, electric transportation. Trade in the gas guzzler for an eco-friendlier electric bike or scooter. Not only can you lower the carbon footprint of your commute, you can also feel the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. And don't forget the safety gear. Electric scooters and e-bikes have batteries. You can find the max distance in the specs to make sure it'll cover your commute. And really, your range is as far as you're willing to pedal or scooter. We made a video to help you choose the right e-bike for you. There's a link in the notes below. Number 9, if you prefer the comfort of a car, make your next vehicle an electric one. Electric vehicle chargers can be installed at home and make charging so easy and convenient. Plug your electric car into your very own Level 2 EV charger and watch the battery recharge. Imagine never needing to stop at the gas station again. Except for snacks, of course. And last but not least, number 10, electric tools. Trade in your gas-powered tools for electric ones. Lawnmowers, weed trimmers, leaf blowers, snow blowers, and more all come in battery-powered and electric options. When picking the right ones for you, it helps to stick with one brand or ecosystem so you can share batteries across devices. They are typically better for the environment than their gas-powered counterparts and often are quieter, too. There you have it! 10 ideas for tech to help you reduce your carbon footprint. What other ideas do you have? Drop a note in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and check out our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy.